My most meaningful and memorable part of my visit today at BAPS Mandir is just the importance of celebrating our 250th anniversary. And we talk about opportunities and freedom to really celebrate our culture and freedom to worship. This is an area where it just brings peace to my heart because this is such a loving community.
Whether you came here hundreds of years ago on the Mayflower, your family did, or whether you came here 10 years ago from Venezuela or Haiti, that you're an American invested, if you're a citizen, with inalienable rights, and that you're a part of our community, no matter what God you worship or where you come from. Being an American is not about your religious faith or your skin color. It's about your belief in our civic values.
Again, our diversity is what makes us great. And here today, when I was visiting, I was so impressed with your young people. The leadership that the young people are displaying, they were giving me tours, speaking to me, and that's our next generation. So impressed. Continue the good work. Let's keep making our community united and not divided.